Welcome to the Introduction to SAP ERP Financial Accounting Program from CertHub Learning. Are you in accounting or working in the industry? Have you seen job postings asking for SAP experience? Bet you tried finding out and ended up confused. You're not alone. Let's find out more. What is SAP in the accounting field? It's a software that allows any user to access company information quickly, accurately, and consistently for nearly every area of a business. In accounting, most use the SAP ERP system to manage their financial accounting transactions and reporting, but SAP relates to areas such as supply chain management, materials management, planning, customer management, supplier management, HR, marketing, and much more. That's why it's so popular. The SAP ERP Financial Accounting course from CertHub. This introduction course is for anyone who has basic accounting experience, as it will give you the understanding of the SAP ERP FI module and how to navigate the software. You'll learn how to customize the SAP Graphical User Interface (GUI) by outlining each of the concepts applied across the different financial business applications. The last part of this introduction section is an explanation of the SAP Business Warehouse (BW) concepts and will introduce you to the new SAP functionality. SAP FI tasks can be divided into two main categories: accounting and finance. With the course, you'll learn the daily accounting tasks such as General Ledger (GL) master data, list GL accountant balances, vendor records, post vendor invoices, post outgoing payments, and much more. Finance tasks are mainly about managing customers and defining recurring entries such as accounts payable and accounts receivable. You'll learn tracking of invoices, payments received on the SAP interface, keeping the master record in order with credit data management, and end of financial period reporting. How do you start learning for this course? This course is a virtual training course. The SAP consultant will go through the training program via MS Team webinar software over 12 hours. This is held over 2 evening sessions on a Monday and Wednesday between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. and 1 full day session on a Saturday during the month from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. We try and keep the virtual class small and personal, with about 10 or less students in total. The dates for the availability of the course are released every quarter, so if you're interested, click on the links or Learn More button to find out the next course date. The resources you'll require: 1. Access to a computer with a decent internet connection. 2. A computer setup so that you're able to see and hear what's being taught and also allows you to contribute to the class. 3. Access to MS Teams. Please let us know if you require help in setting this up, as MS Teams is free to download. 4. Time to complete the study. 5. Don't worry. If you require any help, the mentors will give you a ring prior to you starting the course and help you if required. Assessment. Once you complete the training and on successful completion of the assessment, you'll receive an executive certificate in Introduction to SAP Financial Accounting. This course is the closest you can get to an in-class option without breaking the bank. The mentors are subject matter experts, and you can ask them questions about the subject or topic you're unsure about. You'll receive 30 days access to the SAP ERP software even after you complete your 1-week virtual training. You can use the remainder 3 weeks to carry on practicing with the SAP software. You'll receive hard copy books for you to keep for life and help revise. Any further questions? Get in touch today and one of our learning consultants will give you a call. So, what are you waiting for? Start learning today and get the SAP experience employers are looking for.